All right, kindergartners, this is going to be on page 177. So you just ripped out 173 in your math workbook and cut out the shapes. Now you are going to turn a few more pages and flip to 177, rip the page out, and you are going to cut on the dot on the green lines again, only on the green lines. So we're going to cut out all of these animals. So go ahead and cut the big square of the green line. And then after you cut the big square of the green line, I want you to go ahead and cut across, all the way across, cut, all the way. And then you're going to cut across again. And then after you cut out the strips, go ahead and just cut, and cut. Okay? After you get them all out, put them in a pile and put them right next to the shapes on your learning spot. So the shapes and the animals, I want them in their own piles on your learning spot. Okay? And don't play with them, don't lose them, and we're going to use them for math class today. All right, so get your scissors and rip out these pages and get them cut. Thank you.